Welcome to Data Science with Partha. We will begin a new series on Pandas library from today. So in today's video, we will go through a brief introduction on Pandas and we will learn how to install Pandas in our system. So Pandas is one of the most widely used libraries for data science in Python. No matter what kind of code you look at, usually you would see pandas being imported in the first line. So the name pandas is derived from the term panel data. According to the official website, pandas is a fast, powerful, flexible and easy to use open source data analysis and manipulation tool built on top of the Python programming language. Working on pandas is very similar to working on Excel spreadsheets because both show data in two dimensions, that is in rows and columns. So this particular structure of rows and columns is known as a data frame in pandas. In order to use pandas, we need to install it in our system. And the easiest way to install it is through the Anaconda distribution, which takes care of the dependencies for us. So the first step is to search for Conda install Python in our browser. So here I'm in my Google Chrome. So I'll simply search the term Conda install pandas, and as soon as I search this, you can see we have many options, but the one we are interested in is the Anaconda org. So as soon as we click this, we see the command highlighted in gray. So we have the command conda install -c Anaconda pandas. So we need to copy this command and go to our project in PyCharm. So let's copy this. Now inside PyCharm, all you have to do is go to terminal that we find in the bottom. And inside the terminal, you have to run this piece of code. So as soon as I press enter, PyCharm is going to do all the heavy lifting for us. And here in proceed, you have to simply press Y, that is yes. And as soon as we hit enter, it will start downloading and extracting the packages, and make sure that all these particular dependencies are also installed. So if you're doing it for the first time, this might take some time, but it's usually less than 5 minutes because pandas doesn't have too many of dependencies. So you can see here, because we have these libraries that are having some kind of dependencies, so Python is going to install all of these packages for us. So as soon as this installation is complete, we will import the pandas in our system. So for that, what I'll do now is parallelly I'm going to open a new .py file. So the process we open a new .py file is click on project 1. That's the name of the project that you have created. Just right click on that, and as soon as you click right click, you can see we have an option of new, and here the one we want to select is new Python file. So as soon as you type new Python file, it is going to ask you what kind of name you want to give to this file. So let's say I give the name my test file, and we press enter. As soon as we press enter, this new file is created for us, and here we can start coding our projects. So let's wait for a minute and let this download be complete so that our Pandas is installed in the system. Most of the files are small except one or two files like this one we saw, MKL 2020, that was about 170 MB long. Rest of it is hardly in KBs, or it could be less than 10 MB. So this entire process will not take us more than 5 minutes. And this completes the successful installation of Pandas in our system. And the way we can check it is we can try and import Pandas in our .py file. So this my test file that we created, let's actually import Pandas inside this. So the way we need to import is we simply write import Pandas as PD, and to run this we can simply say Alt Shift E, and as soon as you hit Alt Shift E, we will be inside the console, and you would see that the command should be running inside this. So it's executing in the background. So as soon as we run this, you can see the Python console has imported Pandas successfully, and we are good to go. So in our next video, we'll learn about the series object of Pandas. And if you found this video useful, then please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for future videos. Thank you.